Welcome to the Hillbilly RV channel. Today we're working inside of a mobile clinic. Actually, I should say this evening, kind of after hours. This thing, is set up with x-ray machines and all kinds of stuff like that. And it's these things, when these companies build these things, it's just weird how they mix and match RV components with residential. Alright, it's got an RV furnace, which ain't working. It's a Dometic furnace. That's what caused the problems. It's because it has a residential water heater. It has a 2.5 gallon tank water heater, 110 volt water heater. It froze and busted. So I have a brand new one here to put in its place, but I just told the gentleman that's running the truck right now that he's gonna have to leave the generator run all night and run some electric heat in here. Otherwise, the new water here is gonna freeze and bust too, because it's supposed to be 10 degrees again tonight. So yeah, it's just it's just typical. This is typical of these kind of units. I've worked on a lot of these things in the last 30 years, and it's just like the people that build these coaches, like I say, they don't understand the rigors of RV life and what this equipment needs to go through. Because, yeah, I mean, I'm not the first. I am sure I am not the first monkey here. It's just a hodgepodge of stuff. It's got shark bite. It's got flared. It's got more shark bites. It's got PEX fittings. Oh, that ain't even crimped. Oh, awesome. That's a good crimp. See that? I just peeled it right back. It's just got a mix of everything. So yeah, let me get started on this thing. I mean, the cold is no problem because it's got a rubber gasket shark bite fitting with a check valve. I don't really understand the check valve. Anyhow, it's got one. The hot, we got shark bites. We probably get those apart after we get the pop-off valve out. So yeah, let me see what I can do here. I don't know how much y'all gonna be able to see. I'm gonna try my best, which is all that I can do, is my best. I'm gonna set y'all up out here. I think I can spin this fitting off. Just leave it hooked to that. So that's just a pop-off valve. So that's the drain line for the pop-off valve. Got that out of the way, sort of. Alright, now let me go ahead and spin that pop-off valve out of there. Hopefully it's not stupid tight. Oh, no, it wasn't even tight. Snug. And I know y'all can't see up on top of this water heater. Doing what I can, people. Doing what I can. So that's going to be going back. So we get this off here. Like I say, this is like an RV type thing here. It's got a rubber gasket. Well, residential uses it too, but it's got a swivel fitting with a rubber gasket in it. which that one should be too. While this thing is attached to the wall, we might as well see if we can get this check valve out of here. You gotta look at the arrow. It's going in. So I'm gonna make myself a note on my notepad here. Check valve in. Alright, got a note. I hope I don't lose my notepad. Alright, that's not stupid tight either. That's excellent. Alright, now we got a shark bite fitting. Let's see if we can get that off there. Brought my little tool. A little shark bite tool. I don't have one of those fancy ones. Like, I think it was Tony I saw used a real fancy one. I didn't even know they made those. I thought they had these things here. I didn't know they made anything else. I'll find mine. There it is. It's like a half moon clip that you slide on there and use it to release those shark bite fittings. Just like so. Alright. Now let's see if we can get this water heater off the wall. I'm gonna have to move y'all because I know this thing's probably not empty, completely empty. And it looks to me like it sets on a wall bracket, so I need to lift it up and pull it off the wall. So let me see how that's gonna go. Because I'm gonna have to lay down here right where y'all at in order to do that. Well, that was easy peasy. That was very easy peasy. There's where that bracket, there's a metal bracket on the wall with two fingers that go up in here. So I had to lift it up, pull it out. So now we're going to switcheroo this one out, this fitting. Now this thing's no longer attached to the wall. So we've got to hold it. And yeah, it's got most of the water in it still. Oh, good. Nothing's stupid tight. As a matter of fact, it's almost loose. So there's that. Pretty much goes straight out at a 90-degree angle. So let me take this one outside and we'll get the new one. So here is the new one. So I need to go ahead and spin the hot fitting on. And these are all pipe thread. So we're gonna have to use Teflon tape. Dig it out of my magic bag down here. There it is. Ta-da! Teflon tape. Told you I had it. Whew. Don't have much. Always put this on the same direction that you're going to be spin the fitting on. So yeah, I have to do the cold and the hot because they're both just pipe fittings with no. Oh no, the cold one I don't have to do. because it's got a rubber gasket in it. Just the hot one. It's pipe thread, 1/2 inch pipe thread. All right, that's enough of that. Spin our hot fitting on. Felt funny. Almost felt cross-threaded. I don't think it is though. Hope not. Alright, nothing was stupid tight, so we're not gonna put it back stupid tight either. Oh, we do have Teflon tape back because it gets this check valve. That's right. Then the fitting with the rubber gasket goes on top of the check valve. Check valve on. We can only go one way because it's male on one end and female on the other one. I wrote on my hand for no reason. Oh well. Gonna go crazy. All right, let me get this thing hung back up on the wall. I'll leave y'all running. This one's a lot lighter. There you go. So it's not 3/4 of the way full of water. Shark bite fittings. You just got to make sure you get them on there. So I'm gonna put a mark on that red line where I think it'll probably stop. If I get pretty close to that, we should be good. Yeah, went past it, actually. So that is probably excellent. Alright, what y'all do with my pop-off valve? Alright. Which one of you clowns? Move my pop-off valve. Oh, I put it in the bag. My bad. Should have called y'all clowns, should have. I thought somebody was being funny. Like a clown. Try and get the old Teflon off. Yeah, I got most of it. Just put some new Teflon tape on this. Spin this back in the top of it. I'm going to remove that tag. Don't tell anybody I did that. in the way. Snug that up good. All right. Yeah, sorry about that. While I was finishing up, the guy that takes care of this mobile clinic called from Texas and had some questions. So yeah, I'm done. It's all wrapped up. I'm not gonna test it because because he does not want me to de-winterize the system. So yeah, that's it. I don't like letting something like this go out here without testing it, but it is what it is. Don't test stuff. You test stuff thoroughly. I'm gonna go home. Y'all have a fantastic day. We'll catch you next time.